Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and today I'm going to be looking at a broker. Now, a lot of brokers have been closed in year 2017 and 2018, and mainly they were binary options brokers because many of the countries they didn't like the binary options, and they said it's too easy to lose money, and it's too easy to make money, but more to lose money. And then they start closing off brokers. There were a lot of regulated brokers as well, and they closed them also. Now this is very, very interesting, that why would the regulators start closing regulated brokers when it is regulated? So it made no sense. And then what happened was many of the brokers, being regulated or not regulated, they kind of stop accepting countries where a client can open account from. So this affected mainly USA first, where binary options were not allowed from very beginning, a long time ago, and then it is kind of spread to throughout Europe now, and then now there are very few countries where you can actually trade binary options. Now interestingly, this year has been very little activity, and a lot of websites, they start changing the names, and they abandoning the websites or anything to do with binary options. But now there seems to be a trend, and then crypto came in. And what happened was that a lot of people start doing crypto, but now crypto has went down also. So now crypto is kind of lingering. We don't know which way it's gonna go. I don't think it's gonna go very well. So now people start looking at Forex, which was from 100 years ago. Forex was there. The problem with Forex is a lot of people find it difficult to trade with Forex because it's a lot, there's a lot of complications. Before they want to open an account, they have all these questions like leverage, and then what margin, and then they have to be asking price, bid price, and then buy and sell, and all kind of those things. And then they have to do the economic calendar, similar things with binary options. But the advantage of binary option was that you would put or call. That means, is the price gonna go up or is it gonna go down? Now essentially Forex is also the same. It's also a call and put, but it's more available, and it's still there because they can't get rid of currencies. They got rid of the binary options, but they can't get rid of Forex. But the thing is that now the crypto is now kind of gone out of the scene. So now people are left with stocks market, stock trading, which was there from 100 years ago, and then Forex. And then the binary option is kind of now, a lot of companies are starting to come back actually. And then now there's some companies out there. I wanted to see which companies are brokers are still trading with the binary options. And if you go to the binaryoptionstested.com, we haven't updated the website much, but I'm going to put some fresh binary options related things on binaryoptionstested.com website. And then I already have one broker which is there. And now today I found another broker. It's called the Grand Capital. It's very legit. It's fully working, functional. I tested it today, and then I made an account with them. They also have a demo account, which you can, when you sign up, you get a demo account. But it is complicated to use it. It's quite different, and I couldn't understand how to use the broker account because they send you an email with your password for each of the account, and you can trade in CFD, you can trade in binary options, and you can trade in Forex, and much more. So let's go have a look. So to go to that website, I've to make it easier for you guys and girls, I've placed the link in the video below. It's binaryoptions.tested.com/go/grand-capital. Okay, so I'm gonna go there. This is our link. This is the affiliate link, of course, but I'm gonna show you everything which is there. Okay, so I'm gonna not take this notification first. And this is the website, Grand Capital. They do Forex, they do binary, they do CFD, and they claim to be there since 2006. Maybe they were under a different name, I don't know, but seems pretty good. And I used their platform just earlier today, and I said I will share this with the viewers. Now they're also talking about zero deposit commission, because sometimes some brokers, they charge deduction when you deposit money. Then the minimum deposit is $10. So I haven't seen $10 in a long time. Usually it's like $200, $300, sometimes even $500 to open account. I'm not sure if this is an opening account amount, but I think you can open with $10. So there is no harm. You can put in $50. Don't put in $10 because you're just gonna make one trade and you're gonna waste a bunch of time. So if you're not serious, don't even do $10. Start with something like if you just want to play around, put in at least $50. Okay, otherwise it's just pointless. Okay, so but you can still put $10 if you want. Now, so they have the Forex, which is the usual Forex. Then they still have the binary options with 86% payout. They have the web terminal, they have the mobile app and MT4 app. Okay, and then these two, don't worry about these two. Okay, so they've got some other nice looking website, and they've got some videos. And also I'm going to show you how to register. Now, of course, to open an account, you go here or here. Since I already made an account. Now, one thing to note is when you put in your details, you must put your correct phone number, because as you can see on the registration, there is no password. You do not put a password, you do not confirm the email, you get a login code on your mobile phone, because when you put a mobile phone, they will send you a code. You put that into the web here, and then it's going to then activate your account and send you a password on your email. It is an easy process, but of course some people just put in XYZ just to log into the system. It will not let you log into the system, because you must put the right phone number and you must put the email address. Without these two correct things, you won't be able to log in, which I thought it was nice. Okay, so sign in. I'm gonna sign in simply because I already done that part. Okay, I've just put in my login details, and I might just say remember me, log in, and it's gonna take me to the account here. Now when you go over here in the trading section, you go to trading section, and then you say create account. So when you open account, you already have a demo account with $1,000 or $10,000 balance. You can easily top up more balance by saying demo deposit, and you select the amount that you want to deposit as demo, and then you can trade with that. And then when you want to add another account, you say create account. So this one I created, and to do that you press create account, and it's going to ask you which kind of account you want to do, and you can create multiple accounts. So crypto account, standard account, binary account. So today I'm showing the binary options possibility. So when I press open account, it's going to add another account, which I don't want because I already have one. Now you can also add a demo account for different thing. So I'm going to go back to trading. So this is the confusing part. So all of the accounts that you create over here, or by opening account, they are added over here in your trading section, and to log in each of them, you have to select that account and log in, And this is a bit which is confusing. When you click login, you must use a different login for each of the account. Okay, I will repeat that. So if I want to log into this account, so there are actually effectively two logins that you do in this account. One to the whole of the website, the Grand Capital website, which I just did. You log into that, and then you see your all of your account and your list of accounts. Then, in order to log into separately or one by one, you can only log into one of them. You select that account and press login, trade online, and then you're gonna put in a brand new user password for that particular account. So that means this account has different username password, and this account has a different username password. And it was confusing for me at first, but I figured it out. So where do you get the password? So this is another tricky bit. So when you say open account and you select the account you want to open, and when you finish the process, let's say I'm not going to hit another one because I already have this one. So when you hit that one, okay, I'll just try this one. Open account, standard. Okay, so now it's asking me about the, okay, so this is the create. So I'm not going to do that. So when you create another account, you will receive an email with a password, and that new account will be added here with the description and a type, and then you will have a separate password for that account, a username password, a separate one. So I've got two username passwords here. So let's go to the real Binary American account, and then the account is balanced because I'm just getting started with this. I've got a demo balance, but first I'm going to log into this account, and then I'm going to log into this account, so with a different password. So let's go. So trade online. All right, so now I have it's logged in because the password is already saved into the account. And if I go, let's say, okay, let's try this again. If I go on this one, okay, so this is the bit. So sometimes, okay, now I think it's saved those passwords in, but if I was to go to, let's see, trade, cancel. Okay, so now I've got three accounts. I'm not sure what these two are, but in my main page I've got 75, which is this one, and I don't know what this one is. So you're gonna, first, these accounts will not be there, you have to add them in, and to do that you press log into another account, you put in the account number from here, and then you put your password which you received in the email. I can show you the email which came, but that will reveal my password, so I'm not going to do that. So I'll just go back to the, let's close this. First I want to go to this account, trade online. Okay, and now it's bringing me to 275, which is 275 here, balance 0. Now this is the binary options account, and you can see that it's got Euro USD, and it's got all these currencies. So looks like they do not have stocks for the binary options, which is maybe why they are offering this service. So you select the asset you want to trade. Good old binary options is there. You select the amount you want to trade with, 1, 2, 3, 4. I recommend just use $10. It's a good number. And then if you are right, you will get 8.5 back. Is that 86%? They said 86%. Yeah, it is, because 10.86, it's 1 cent less, or 10 cents less. Okay, so it's 85%. Okay, so you select the expiration time, and you can increase it to, don't use 1 minute, use 5 minutes. It's a good number. Okay, so can I zoom in, zoom out? Apparently I cannot zoom in, zoom out. Okay, but it looks pretty good to me. So the AUD CHF, I'm gonna use the USD JPY. It's one of my favorite currency pairs. So let's see, USD JPY, there it is. So it's running at 112.80. I see another tab over here, Okay, no, that's not a tab. Okay, so now it's at running at 12112. Okay, so now if it's gonna go down below this line, or it's gonna go up below above this line. Show all orders. I haven't traded anything yet, so I'm gonna hit something here just randomly. So you need to change the trader's length or amount because there's no balance. Now I'm gonna go to the demo account and place a trade now. So this is a separate account once again. Okay, so I'm gonna use my USD JPY. Okay, in this one they have some gold and they have, I think these are stocks again. There's a stock exchange. So let's go to USD JPY. There we go. $10. And I don't want to leave it for too long, so I'll just say 1 minute. But I try, if you do use it, use 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, so now it's jumping up. Unfortunately, I cannot zoom in, zoom out, which is a pity because then I cannot really see the overall picture, because even at the bottom they're not showing. Oh, they are showing the timeline. Okay, so now it is the 23rd of November. Okay, it is actually 1 o'clock, but they are showing 2 o'clock. The chart is here. This is where the time is, so it's 2:01. So they might be based somewhere in Eastern Europe side or the Middle East. Okay, because it's 1 hour ahead. The time is right here. And I have 1 o'clock at my clock. So now I'm just gonna say down. Okay, I might do this 100 because this is a demo account. Press down for 1 minute. The trade is open. Okay, JPY 100. Now this is the countdown timer. So my trade, now unlike some other brokers, they kind of show you a ticker where you place the trade. It's not doing that here, but it is showing me the closing line here, which is very good. I'll pause the video and see what happens. Okay, so 5 seconds remaining, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we got 0 return on this one. So show all orders. So what happened, I've dropped the balance by $100. Is a demo account, which is great. Closed orders. Now this is what happened. Action was lower, investment amount, open price 112,825 and close price 827. Okay, and then the close price went up. Okay, because I did do a put trade, what happened was it was slightly over, 2 pips over. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do another one. Okay, let's try another one. I'll keep that $100, keep the 1 minute, and then okay, I'm gonna just go do down. Okay, I'll pause and come back. Okay, so now there are 4 seconds remaining on this trade. Okay, so we've gained $80 on this one because it went down. Let's look at the orders. And the first trade was losing trade right here. The second trade was a profitable trade, $80. So overall it's a loss of 20 because the payout is only 80%, looks like. Okay, so now lower, both times I did this one, order number. So very smooth, slick interface, binary options. It's available all over the world. So the clients, the traders from USA, they can join this, and that's one of the reasons I like this Grand Capital. If you want to sign up to this, click on the link below, and this will bring you to their sign up page, and you can follow this tutorial to get into this binary options, or you can use it also for Forex trading. Okay, so I hope you got this video very informative, and if you have any questions, email contact@easytradingschool.com. Also, I'm offering 50% pre-enrollment courses throughout this month. and until the pre-enrollment closes, it's 50% off. So if you want to sign up to that, click on the link below also, or just go to easytradingschool.com. I can just show you here, easytradingschool.com. Okay, easytradingschool.com, there we go. So these are the courses on offer. If you're newbie, go for the first one, or you can look at the modules and select the one that you think you feel you want to learn. Okay, so with that, take care and see you in the...
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.